I'm notorious for packing on my trips like last minute. So on this trip, I packed on the morning of. My method of packing is that I pack a bunch of shorts, boxers. I already packed shirts, and usually that long with maybe two swimming trunks and flip-flops and shoes. So that's what I'm doing. This was Toby's very first road trip that we took with him. We were traveling to Vienna for Jon Bellion's concert. It was a little bit challenging for us to organize the two boys together, plus hurrying to pack. So that was wild.
This is what it's like trying to leave on our first vacation with the puppies.
Yeah, I swear.
Yeah, me too. It's okay, you can't tell. Toby, stop being your leash.
Hey, sit.
Sit down. Hey.
Down. Both of you sit. 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 Toby, sit.
Good boy. Oh, our dog Kalahari has a tendency to get sick every time we take a road trip. Typically, what we found is that right at the beginning of the trip, when it's most bumpy and we're on our way to the highway and things are, moving around a lot, all of a sudden he pukes in the back seat, and it's always fun when you're getting your trip started and you have to pull over and get everything all cleaned up, but we always manage to be able to get that done, and usually he's fine for the rest of the trip.
He's had that issue ever since we adopted him from the Broad Humane Society. On our way home, he puked like a couple of times. Yeah, I don't know what his deal is, but that's our life. Let the trip continue now. I'm hoping today we'll meet up with my friend Michelle and her wife. Let's go.
Well, I do a lot of research on Airbnb whenever we go on road trips. We definitely don't like to stay in hotels, so we always try to find an Airbnb in the area where we're staying, and I really try to take a look at the area it's going to be in. And this time around, I really couldn't find one in St. Augustine that would allow us to have the dog, so we ended up staying probably about, I would say, 45 minutes from St. Augustine in Palatka.
We are almost settled in, so let me show you around the Airbnb that we got. After you come in, like so. If you're drunk, you can come to the bed over here. If you messed yourself up, you can wash all your laundry there, put on the doggy crate, and then there's the living room, and then let me show you the kitchen. There's a nice setup on the kitchen here. And then there's a cooker. Fucking boys were a menace earlier, and now they're taking a power nap. We're about to go hang out with Michelle and Mandy, and we are afraid they're gonna be a nuisance.
Yeah, our dogs are fuckers. They're taking power naps, so they'll be extra rowdy at the campground. Just wait and see later.
Yikes. Alright. Awesome. All right, so we are here. that's my friend Michelle.
Hi.
And that's Mandy.
Hello.
She's making us dinner. What do you have there?
We have some shrimp, some lobster, tail, steak, and asparagus.
Nice.
And then on the little grill over there, we have Brussels sprouts with onion, potatoes,
rosemary,
and corn.
Nice. What are you drinking, Michelle?
A South African, what is it? Chardonnay.
It's a Sauvignon Blanc Chardonnay blend.
That's the one I'm drinking.
There you go. And look at that camper. That's a beautiful camper right there. That's awesome. And the boys are out here digging holes under the camping table. And we're out here just drinking. Hey, babe.
Some prosciutto. This is a triple cream from Burgundy. These are some olives. This is a Gouda from Holland, I think. And this is maybe a goat's milk cheese, pepperoni, and then a big baguette.
Nice.
This is why when I go camping, I just get really drunk.
So it started raining, and when Michelle and Mandy's camper, that's what we're having our dinner.
Oh yeah.
And this is a test if we all fit in here, right? I feel privileged. Michelle said, what did you say, Michelle?
We've never entertained in our camper.
And we're the first guests in that camper.
You're sweating. Maybe I should.
We are leaving Michelle and Mandy. Guys,
Yes.
it's been awesome. We had
We got rained out.
yeah, it's alright, it's alright. It was part of the experience. So
Don't forget your to-go lobster.
oh wait. Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Yeah, it was fun.
From our hometown.
There you We have a little bit of a dilemma that an Airbnb has some lock combination we can get in the front gate.
I just can't believe this woman won't answer the phone. Like,
Well, we're gonna have to jump the front gate. We made it through the lock. We had to jump the gate, and then we had to watch a YouTube tutorial on how to open the lock, because it's one of those like masters, like you have to dial the combination to get in.
a
And
normal locker lock. I've never seen one that you just don't go right, left, right.
no, this one you have to, like, it's a special lock, so we had to jump the gate and then we had to watch a YouTube tutorial to get in. But anyway, we made it. We're in the house, and the boys,
What is there?
I don't know. Boys, hey! It's not good that they're licking the fucking carpet.
Look how we puked up all the treats he ate.
Anyway, so yeah, so we're gonna close the vlog. It was a nice time to hang out with Michelle and Mandy. We had some good food and hang out, had some good conversations, and yeah.
It's
So
been an interesting day.
yeah, we really appreciate Michelle and Mandy for hosting us. Hopefully we can hang out some more soon. Yeah, but yeah, so we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna close it.
And good night, peoples.